Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 442. Find all duplicates in an array. So it's a very easy problem to solve. I don't know why it is tagged as a medium problem. And we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which we're going to use. That will be using counters. And at the end, we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it says, given an integer array nums of length n, where all the integers of num are in range 1 to n, and each integer appears once or twice. Return an array of all the integers that appear twice. And you must write an algorithm that runs in order of n time and uses only constant extra space. And they have given a few examples as well. So basically what we have to find out is all the duplicates elements from an array. So I'm going to use a counter to solve this question. There are multiple other ways to do the same, but I think this was the easiest one. So what I'll do, I'll find the number of occurrences of each element in the array, and we will filter out all the elements who have greater than or equal to 2 occurrence in the array. Okay, so this will be the whole approach. I think it is self-explanatory. So let's directly move towards the solution of it. So this is solution. So what I'm doing over here is I'm using counter method to solve this problem, where so basically this will give you a dictionary with element as key and number of occurrences as your values. So we have those that dictionary created here, and I'm using this list array which will be returning at the end. Okay, and after that what we'll do, we will just simply iterate the dictionary we have using the items. So items returns us key and value pair. So I is all the key, j is all the values, and if for any of the element the value of j is greater than equal to 2, then we will add that element in our array, in the resultant array, and towards the end we are just simply returning the array. So let's check out the test cases. So as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. Okay, it is taking some time. Yeah, so the solution got accepted, and I would say like we have performed decent over here. So yeah, thanks guys for watching all the videos. Stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.